Okay, good day. Glory to our Creator. Not do unto others what you do not want others to do unto you. To all my followers, if there is, today our lesson is I'm going to install a WordPress here. Go to wordpress.org and get WordPress. Okay, so go to wordpress.org and get the WordPress and link the new tab so you have your own code of WordPress once we are successfully installed this WordPress, and click download WordPress. Just now I download it for you and successful. This is the one. Okay, so in Arman tutorial.wordpress.com, this is my tutorial page. Okay, so they're asking for $4 per month if you want to upgrade to your logo for this banner. So it is free. You are in the WordPress, but I have this package of WordPress. It's like next time I will teach you the code igniter framework. There's this one. This is a code igniter. I'll teach you also this next time. Okay, so down this is a framework of PHP. Same thing with the WordPress. WordPress is created also in PHP. Okay, so this is it. That's it. Okay, so meaning they own my blog, because you have the power to delete that one as an administrator, and you can type your wp-admin and you will be logged into your page, and you just click add post here, add new post. This is the content management system. Okay, so this is how the WordPress added the programs in there. That's why I can teach you also some WordPress how to add those content. This management content. Okay, and you can change your themes. There's a lot of themes, plugins, appearance. There's a theme, and you can download thousands of how many free website, how many free WordPress template. Okay, because we are hosting our website at home. Okay, so we ready our server, like what we are trying to run every day. When I'm doing my tutorial, so my Apache is not enabled in my services. Okay, because when I did the tutorial yesterday, in the 25 techniques on how to speed up your PC, and I close my Apache. See, it's not running automatic. I disable it, so I make it automatic, so every time I open my PC, it will run. Okay, so once your website is down, you have to look for your services here. Okay, and now it is working again, and as you can see, there is PHP My Admin Tomato. Last time we named that one as Tomato. It's not a PHP My Admin. And you can review this installation guide. Okay, and how to install WordPress, basic instruction, blah 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 blah, and it's stated here you use the PHP My Admin in controlling those database, because they will create database inside your inside your PC to create database, the MySQL, but it is in my stated here. Installing multiple WordPress instance, there is, but we are only installing one. Download, after that download, use PHP My Admin. I don't know what will happen to this tutorial, because I don't know if this one is updated to 8.4.1, because our hosting WAMP Windows Apache MySQL PHP is all updated version. Okay, so as you can see here, it says here, go to your website and type this one, because we are local. Okay, so we're going to type this once we install our WordPress. Okay, and it will install it for us. Just key in all this and done. Okay, and you have your own code now of the WordPress. Let's try it. Let's go. Okay, so this is a fresh tutorial. I never tried this. I tried it a long time ago. But how many times I install my WordPress in my hosting alone. Also Joomla, you can install Joomla now in your hosting site, I think. Okay, so we are hosting our server now, so let's do it. Let's go to our WordPress here. Let us extract. Download. Just now I click it. Okay, but we are going to extract it. Right click and extract the WordPress, and it will create WordPress WP include blah 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 blah. Okay, so it is extracting those zip file, compressed file. It is in the zipper, meaning it's compressed. So you cannot use that. You can use compress in website also. Some websites are in zip file. Okay, but here we're going to click it. What is inside is a WordPress, and we can cut this. We're going to cut it, and we're going to transfer it in our C drive. Okay, let's try our. You can create your www if you want your own website. Okay, let's create new folder here. Let's say you have your www here. Okay, so that's your website, and you can put all the PHP, MySQL, as long as you know how to control those HTTP compile, php.ini, my php.ini, the php ini config file. Now in WordPress also there is a configuration file. So now ready the WordPress, but our system is not ready because it is in pointing to another location. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to edit our Apache. You can, if you do it manually, I want only WordPress working. Okay, you have to do like this. I will teach you how. Let's say this is only my website. I do not want to include any but you have to include the PHPMyAdmin, so better you edit the Apache conf. Okay, then let's try to edit Apache configuration here. Okay, so I will do it in my cd Apache 24 cd conf file. Okay, so we have extra cd extra. This is the one last time I created my PHP conf, PHPMyAdmin. So we're going to copy that, because sometimes once we save the text there is a .txt, but it's okay. Let's try this. In configuration here, we're going to copy extra. We're going to copy my PHPMyAdmin here. Right click, copy, and paste. Okay. And we have to rename this as wordpress.com. Okay. Okay, so then we're going to edit this. Double click this file, configuration, and sleep. And you are going to put here www/wordpress. And we do not like our WordPress tomato, we can put here cabbage. It's okay, just put WordPress here. WordPress, capital Word. It's up to you. But if you always use WordPress, you can delete this. Okay? Only one alias is enough, because you know it is a small letter. And you have to change all this with your WordPress location here. All the drives, because that is the directory. I teach you how to read this in Apache. Okay? Allow, require, all granted, allow access, then so we're not doing some we can review WordPress, and if you do not want some error in the WordPress, we can delete all of this. Let's pretend that we are allowing the whole WordPress will be done. Okay, so option C, allow for review. So only that. Just put only one. Okay, only this. So after that, you save it, and we are going to edit our Apache to include that configuration in our main Apache configuration in conf. We are going to do you know where we are going to? Do you know where we are going to? So we are going to edit the HTTP conf, okay, and we need to go to include, meaning please include this file in your configuration, something like that. We have to go down, and if you review my PHP my admin installation, I'm just repeating this. Okay, so you can copy this and add it by Aram for WordPress conf. Okay. Okay, and include conf extra. What's the name of the file you want to include? Wordpress.com. Okay, so file save. So after that, you need to restart your server, and like what I told you, some people are hiding their website, so we can run our Apache monitor here. To double click this Apache monitor, and you will monitor your website on that side. See, it's here now. It is there now. So what we're going to do is to go to our WordPress site there, and we're going to test our server. Let's try to test our WordPress if it is readable or not in typing the so restart the server. Okay. You want to restart your server? Apache is asking yes. Very fast to restart. Okay, so now we're going to see if our configuration is right or wrong. Here in the installation, it stated that we are going to type this WP admin, and what we are going to do is to paste it here. Okay, so next time we will exceed it. It's okay, exceed it only that 9:37. That is in our PHP, okay? My admin. But what we're going to run is our WordPress, so we're going to type here this one, delete. It should be like this. Okay, we're going to, because we are doing our local website, so we're going to click this and enter, and let's see what will happen. It's stated here the request URL was not found in this server. Okay, but let's try to type WordPress WP admin install. I think it's reading now. So my local hosting is low. So it's running, and see what happened. So it says here there's been critical error on this website. Okay, what we are going to do, I will teach you how to make that one stand alone in your later on. You can troubleshoot this. Just delete this one. Okay, recommended, do not include first, and I will teach you how you can do it stand alone. So you are going to edit here is this document directory. You can review virtual hosting also, but what I did, if I have a website, okay, so let's see, stated here, option index follows same, and let's try to copy this. Okay, and after copying this, we go to try to apply that one in our WordPress setting. Okay, so let's try to edit the configuration extra. Apache actually there are so many messages on top of it, but I will show you how to make it small. As you can see here, once you paste it, you can delete all the comments. Forget about those comments, and you can propose only this. Okay, so you can put it here, and let's try to run that. Restart the server. Okay, so alias WordPress, WordPress, and exit and save this one. Let us include, no need to comment. Let's copy some configuration on top, and what you are going to do is to restart the server. But before that, we can test the WordPress website. Okay, so here in www here, so let's go here and see let's visit that area, cd/www WordPress, and in index there is index PHP there, okay, of WordPress, and let's see what's the content. I think it's gone. It's none. Last time, nothing. Okay, only required directory. They require this directory. Okay, this is the WordPress directory. Let's try to comment this. Don't run, and let's run here our code just to check. PHP, there's PHP on top. There is already. We need only the closing remarks of the closing tag of PHP. Okay, so let's try PHP. Let's try echo. Teach It will not continue because there's no link, so no need to put die. So let's try it. File save. Okay, and let's run our system. Don't panic if there are some error. You will find a way. Teach yourself to find the way. So from here, you can type WordPress and it's not working. I told you, restart your server. Restart. Okay, very fast. WordPress index on PHP. And hi, I am Teach Yourself. So meaning maybe our WordPress is working now. Let's try to wp-admin slash install.php. Is that the one in the WordPress? Cannot, not yet, because we're going to put it back in the original setting. Remove what we did and remove this code and this one and save. Okay, let's try now to install wp admin install.php. Enter. And what happened? Voila! Happy New Year! So this is it. Okay, so our WordPress now is ready to install, and you have your own code now after this if successful. Choose English in your language, continue, and database name. It says you need ready your database name, username, password, database host. Let's go. So database name, WordPress. You can type your any database if, but sometimes I do not want to follow their name because some hacker they know those location. They know if the person is always using default, they know the location. Root and database host localhost. Then you can change WP table prefix to WP2. Okay. It's up to you. Okay. Prefix of the table, meaning all your table start with WP. Okay, so let's do this as teach yourself. So teach yourself, then submit. Oh, cannot select database. Are you sure it exists? So go back. Why? Because you do not have the database. So which one you want? You want PHP my admin do it, or you want a normal one? Okay, let's do it in a hard way. So let's go to our cd backslash. I will teach you two ways. Okay, cd mariadb and cd bin. Then you can type my SQL because it is in path minus user root minus p root the password. So we are in. So you can create my data, my WordPress, create database, my WordPress. Okay, you can do like that, and followed by semicolon and enter. So this is it. You can show databases, and we have now the my WordPress database. Okay, so if we run our tomato or PHP my admin here on this side, okay, let's run our PHP my admin here, localhost PHP my admin. We name that tomato, so we can log into our database, and you can see there is a, you can see once we log in, you can see there is my WordPress database created. Okay, so we log in, and this is local. It should be passed, but it's okay because my PC is slow. See, we have now my WordPress database here. Okay, then you can I will drop the database. Okay, I will drop this one, and I will delete it. Make sure you do not want your database, create your backup, drop database, my WordPress. Okay, so show databases, it's gone. Okay, so meaning we do not have my WordPress database now, and you can refresh here, and there should be no my WordPress. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. Then here you can actually, in PHP my admin, you can create your database. Okay, but where's the command? I think here, click database here. If you are not good in see, there is create database here, right? You just type the name here and create, and type the collision, but it is automatic. So you can type here my database, create my WordPress already. Okay, so collision, you can click here and review what collision they are. You go to my SQL here, because the collision is automatic, and what is the collision? Let's try to create database again in WordPress. Let's see. Never mind. In my case, there is my WordPress here, and it's automatic, and that's how I did it. Okay, so created a lot. Okay, let's try to delete it again. Create here new. Create new. Collision is none, right? You see, none. Oh, collision is none, but others is UTF and MBG, but it's okay. You can put none. So let's drop it. Drop databases, my WordPress. So actually it's been done already, but I want you to learn PHP my admin also. So I press this one, remove the database, and just type here my WordPress and click create here. That is the two types of adding database. Okay, so this is it. We have now my WordPress and we are ready to install. Remember this WordPress do not have any table. After our installation, you can see that WordPress is creating those. Okay, now we can submit this. Our database is all set, and the WordPress will find the database, my WordPress, and click OK and run the installation. Okay, so if you want to become an expert in WordPress, you can create your own widget, you can create your program. Teach Yourself is the name of the site. Is Teach Yourself. My username is admin, and my password is admin also. Very weak. It's okay because it is only for the tutorial. Let's say it says very weak. Okay, let's put this way. Capital P at 55W0RD password. Very weak also. It's okay. Let's do password and let's put dollar here, $3 and $3 at the beginning. It's okay. Now it's medium maybe. So your email. So my email is, you can type your email here. What is my email? Let's use it will email you. So let's see our email here. armantutorial2024@gmail.com. armantutorial2024@gmail.com. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. Yes, I don't like some. Then you can install WordPress now, and let's let the WordPress do their job. Okay. So you own now a WordPress successful admin and your chosen password. Log in. As you can see, once you log into WordPress, there is a WP admin in this one. WordPress WP login. Okay? You can delete this. Just type like that. It's okay. Okay, let's do the login first. Later on, let's try. Actually, this is not login. This one should be WP admin. If you want to administer your website, should be WP admin. Okay, should be like this. Okay, and this one later on we will hide this. So there should be login.php here. WP admin is enough. Okay, let's follow first the WP login. Okay, then okay. So what happened now? You have now your WordPress. This is the administrate. This is the admin site. Okay, username, admin, and our password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. Is that our password? What are our password? Capital P. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then log in. Don't show to other people your password. Okay, this. Huh? 2024 at gmail.com. I think that's the user. And let's try to type our password. Is this correct? Login. Huh? Okay, so let's continue our tutorial. There's in your installation there is a confirm weak password. Okay, you can do that also. But now let's try admin here, and our password is $2 only in front. Okay. $2 in front. Capital P and okay. Then you can type remember me and it will remember you every time. Then log in. Okay, so now this is the WP admin, and what happened here is it's not going to the admin.php. It should be the dashboard. Okay, we will take a look at that issue. But if we try our WordPress now, what will happen? Index. Should it be like this? Okay, so let's see what happened to our website. Okay, so let's try to go to our WordPress. Let's try to go to our WordPress and let's see www. Is the directory. Okay, let's try to copy com ht-access. Okay, this is the program in let's try options, minus indexes. You see the index still alive. Options minus indexes. Enter and F6. Overwrite yes. Then F6 save. Notepad, H, the access, and only this. So let's try that. What will happen? We start. Okay, so as I reviewed my website, as you can see, I did not, in my directory index, I did not put index.php here. That's why if there's no index.php here, it will not run my server. Okay, so let's try to start this. Let's start the website, and as you can see here, now it's running fine now. But when we start this, okay, let's stop that, and I will put back in original position. So here I saved that one without index.php, and I run it. Yeah, that's my fault. I have to put my index.php here because it's tracking the index.php. Okay, so now let's try this, and it's forbidden. Okay, so when I stop this and I try to put here index.php, so okay, so yeah, it should be like that. I forgot to directory index should be, I always put HTML, so that's it, you know. So, and I look for some website in here, allowed overall meaning allow htaccess file to override every configuration. Okay, so this allow override all, if there is htaccess in your root directory, it will run the htaccess, not the original configuration file. By default, access to a directory is forbidden. This is the required one. Allow from all, allow connection from any network. So you can visit the source, the server fault. Okay, so you can learn. You can learn what are all these option: index, follow, sim, link, multi-view, and it's stated here. Indexes, if you try to access the directory such as index.php, the content directory will be shown. Does not have a directory index. That's why I have a directory index, but I did not type the index.php. Follow symlink, allow Apache to use symbolic link. It can improve the performance. It can be security issue too. Okay, not sure about it, but from Google it looks like security risk, so you can review this in Apache. Okay, so I found the solution on my problem, and as you can see now here, let's try to add index PHP. Okay, file save. I forgot, it's been a long time, but it's okay. That's I forgot to add this one. Okay, so now let us continue. At least you know how to teach yourself to troubleshoot all your problems in life. That's why you have to teach yourself. Allow override none, meaning there's no HT access allowed. So meaning it's okay, no more HT access, that you can delete that. Okay, at least now you know how to configure all this, and there's no indexes here. I remove follow symlinks. Okay, and let's run now our website. Okay, so it's forbidden, so strict. Start, and let's see if the index is automatically get by the WordPress. And now, as you can see, this is your blog now, successful. Okay, so this is your page, and let's try to go to wp-admin here. Only index PHP is the issue. Okay, so it will give us the dashboard. Okay, so this is now our dashboard. Then you can use now you can add your post now here, or pages. Okay, you can add new post, and you can log out also if you want. Then you can so this is it. So you have now the code on WordPress. You have the full control of your WordPress now. Okay, so what happened now is when you are if you want to add a new page, you click here. Click here in your new page, and because our topic for today is just installing WordPress. Okay, then you can create a lot of themes. You can download from the internet. Then I just give you some technique in WordPress, because here, as you can see, in www, you can see the structure of the WordPress. This is the WordPress file. Okay, I forgot to. So this is the WP admin. This is the WP include. This is the core of the WordPress. Your content is here only. Okay. So if you download some website, you can go to your themes and just you can use 25, 24, and 23. Okay, so it's up to you. So let's say 25, 24, 23. So curve PHP error online 2 or 4. Okay, so just refresh this one. Let's try. It's about time. So it's connecting outside actually. Okay, so these are your themes. here 25, 24, and 23. So the current is 23. So I want to activate this. I want to activate 24. Click activate. Okay. Then after activating that one, you will see your WordPress is different now. Okay. It should be HTTP. Should be localhost. WordPress. Enter. And this is your new theme. Okay. See? So different again. So this is your new theme. That's why it's very easy to change theme in WordPress. And you have your nice code. You can visit a lot of WordPress site. Okay, let's see here themes, and let's you can find on the net. Add new themes here and make it plus, and look for the website of thousands of free popular latest themes, and you have your own website now. Okay, so thank you for watching. Teach yourself how to troubleshoot all your problems. There's a lot. See? And you click one to install. As you can see, let's say this is the detailed preview. Install this, and cadence. As you can see, there should be cadence here. There should be a cadence here. Okay? If we refresh this, there is a cadence. And you can customize all this build. You can customize all this code, the asset, the part, the templates, the functions. Only this, the themes, they are just submitting all these themes. Okay, that's how to create a WordPress file. Then as you can see now, if we successfully install the cadence, and it will go here. Okay, so WP content, refresh. Try to refresh this. Okay. So don't allow override none, so meaning useless the HT access. Okay, so just delete that in here. Okay, delete point HT access. That is useless. But if you allow override all, meaning you can put HT access file in every website that you have, and you have to control all of them. Okay, so this one allow all, then the HT access file can run. Okay. Alright, so this is only my issue. I forgot to put my index PHP, but it is in my tutorial. As you can see, in Arman tutorial it was there. Okay, so update failed. Okay, let's try to install another. Install this Neve. I think my connection is slow. Oh, see, this is the cadence, installing the cadence. So this zip file is automatically unzipped by your server. There's be critical errors. Actually, you can go to those sites and download. So you can do manual download. Actually, you do like this, copy and go here and download it. Enter. Okay, and it's been downloaded here, right? Okay, then you extract on that area and you have the cadence theme. That's how easy is it. No need, if there are some error in your WordPress, you can, let's try to unzip this. Okay, so be aware on what is happening. It's trying to install it in this location, so better you always go here and look for all the themes. Okay, so let's wait for the cadence to download, and we're going to extract it here, and we have the cadence. No need for you to allow WordPress to install it on the web. You can download that all manually. That's the beauty of WordPress. You can learn all the codes, all the CSS, HTML, the PHP, the hooking, editing the functions. Now you can learn by your own. You can edit those functions. What are the functions created by the themes here? As you can see, there's upgrade there. See the 25. Let's say you're looking for the 2025, and you open the functions here, and this is the style CSS. Later on I can teach you all of that. What is the use of this style? Okay, so you see, add theme support, format, then add action. This is how you add action. That's why it's hooked. It was hooked in the main in the core, because WordPress there is a core. So in order for you not to edit the WordPress core, this WP admin and WP includes here. This WP content is doing those things in order for you to connect to the WordPress. Okay, are we done in our okay, so let's do the download here. Okay, so I think we can zip it using WordPress. Okay, so what we're going to do is to, let's try. So in our themes here, if you add new themes here, and there is a latest block theme, favorite, search the theme, install. Okay, so editor, 7,217. You can download all of that. There are some free, some you can pay. Okay, you are in the admin side. Okay, let's try to do it manual. Okay, let's do it manually. You go to your downloads. I thought WordPress can, I remember WordPress can I know it can so let's remove our connectivity now. Okay, so now I'm not connected to my website, to internet. Okay, then we just download that file, and if you add new themes here, I remember last time, I know, lacking favorite. Favorite your WordPress username, lacking later appearance, tools, import. Add new files in your media. Then go to your appearance here, themes, editor, add new. So it's not reading my zip file. I don't know, it's okay, so if there's no automatic update of the one, I'm thinking if last time I think there is or don't have. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to right click this one and unzip it. Okay, sorry, cancel, that's not the one. This is yes. So just now we download this cadence. Okay, so what we're going to do is to are we recorded? Yes. What we're going to do is to extract this. Okay, and after extracting this, at least you have now your WordPress. You can be a master of WordPress. You can do a lot of websites in a WordPress. At least teach yourself. No, at least I teach you all the basic, the background, how do you do it. It's up to you to improve yourself. And later on, I can teach you how to create menu by means of pages in the WordPress. I will continue our tutorial. But for today is only installation of WordPress and how to understand all those settings. So this is the one, okay, cadence. And what we're going to do is to cut this cadence. We're going to cut it and transfer it to the content of your WordPress. Cut this and go to your C and go to your www WordPress content. I do it many times, but long time ago. You know, I'm a jack of all trades, master of none. I use also Code Igniter. I'm doing Kotlin. I'm doing Java. All the basic I can teach you all, and then you can improve yourself. Okay, so we go to our themes now and paste that cadence. Okay. You can download e-commerce, review the e-commerce, the WooCommerce, and you have your own sales of clothes. See? I told you the code is yours. Then it's up to you now to develop it, sell it. Okay? So now we have cadence, and we go back now to our that's the use of web hosting. That's why I teach you how to host your own website, and now we are going to run our themes here. Okay, we are not connected to the internet, all is local now. And as you can see, there is a cadence now here, and all you have to do, it was automatically detected by the WordPress, and just activate the cadence. It is seen by the WordPress in their content directory. Activate, and done. We are now using cadence. Let's see. Okay, activate cadence. Okay, so it's activating here. Let's see our WordPress here. Let's see our WordPress now. Remember this, you are in the admin dashboard, so you have the control of all the files. You can add your post now, you can add your pages to become a menu. So we are here. Okay, so it's activated now, the cadence. So meaning if you view your website now here in WordPress, enter, and it should be the cadence style. Okay, so the choice is yours. This one no need. Once you log out, let's log out. Okay, let's log out now, because let's log out to our WordPress here. Log out meaning there's no more like this. There's no more toolbar here. There's no more dashboard here, except the dashboard. Okay, and it should be like this. Okay, so meaning you are out. Okay, do not give to others your password, and then enter to see your cadence website. See, this is now your cadence website. Cadence, and then you can this is only the sample page. Okay, and you can do whatever you want now. Review the codes, how to go to the website of WordPress, how to create your own widget. There is how to create what are those files trying to detect by WordPress. Okay, there are rules in WordPress in creating a themes. I remember that. I show you, like here in cadence. You can see the rule of WordPress here. See, these are the rule of WordPress. Page, sidebar, single. These are the sidebar. You cannot simply name in WordPress. Okay, you read their documentation. Okay, this is the footer, this is the header, this is on top, this is down, this is the header on top, this is the footer down, comment. Then there is a rules in creating in WordPress. The single page. Okay, so as you can see, just review it. I know those programmers in WordPress, they know what I'm saying, but for the beginners, maybe you are not yet familiar, so that's why I'm trying to give you a hint. I'm giving you a hint that the WordPress have their own templates. You can create your own templates here, and the templates, there is a naming convention in the template. Let's see the assets. CSS, font, and images. That's it. The cascading style sheet. The style, the patterns. Okay, I'll try my best to give you some. See, this is the one I'm telling you. Banner. You see, all start in the banner. Then they have the CTA or study CTA. They have the footer or study format, minus, grade minus. All have a rules in WordPress. I told you. See, page business home, page homing, meaning all these are the pages. Because inside the WordPress you can use your template. You can use your own template to cater those to cater all the program in our database. By the way, before I forget, let us visit our PHP My Admin, and you can see the structure of WordPress. It's built in all those commands. Data are in our tomato page. Okay, tomato. PHP My Admin become tomato. If you follow my website hosting, we rename this into a tomato alias. Okay, okay, let's type down and let us review. I will teach you some more. Next time I will teach you how to add files inside the WordPress first. And after that I can teach you the widget. Now our topic is just installation, and I'm just giving you some hint. See now my WordPress start for all TCY, and these are the posts, these are the data, these are the comments. You can join WordPress forum, WordPress support. In WordPress you can sell all your website now. If you're a programmer of PHP, you can modify all the e-commerce in WordPress, study it, sell, host it. Okay, so these are the content. Okay, that's how WordPress is putting all our data. That's why you can edit now your users here, because the data is all yours now. It's not in the hosting company of WordPress. They give you free the WordPress to learn. Okay, so I hope that's the end of our installation of WordPress in our own web hosting.